Hello, AJ Shon here, teaching you how to speak English with an American accent. Today's lesson is part 1 of a 2-part lesson about reductions. Don't forget to tune in next week to see part 2. Click the notification bell below. So, what is reduction? Reduction is the simplification of sounds, words, or groups of words. Reduced forms give fluency and rhythm when we speak. Learning reduced forms will make it easier for you to express yourself using entire thoughts. For example, the words who, is, she can be combined into one flowing sound as who is she? Or the words what do you mean can be combined into one flowing sound as what do you mean? Before we continue with reductions, I want to touch on a very important topic. We can divide the words of the English language into 2 broad categories. Those categories are content words and function words. Content words are nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. We can also refer to these as key words. These words carry the important information from the speaker to the listener. Function words are all of the other words. They include articles a, an, and the. They include conjunctions like and, but, if, and or. Function words also include pronouns and prepositions. He, she, it, in, at, on. They're the glue that connect content words together. They're the words that give us the grammatical structure of the English language. Since content words are normally stressed and not reduced, let's focus on reducing function words. Function words, most of the time, are spoken with reduced vowel sounds. How do we reduce a vowel sound? We use the schwa. The schwa is the most commonly used sound in the English language. Actually, almost every 2-syllable word that has more than one vowel sound contains the schwa sound. Listen to the schwa in the word can. I can go. Can anyone come to the party? Let's practice the schwa in can in short sentences. Please repeat. I can go. You can go. He can go. She can go. It can go. We can go. They can go. Now, as a question, can I ask you something? Can you tell me how to get there? Can he come on Sunday? Can she sing us a song? Can it go very fast? Can we meet for lunch? Can they have the day off? Let's practice the schwa sound using the articles a, an, and the. When saying the article a, we reduce the sound to a basic schwa sound. It sounds like this. Please repeat. And notice how the schwa sound is very quiet and said very quickly. A desk, a chair, a person, a phone. Now, let's reduce this article an. It's going to sound like this. Please repeat and remember to make it very quiet and very quick. An apple, an elephant, an office, an elevator. Let's practice the articles a and an by using antonyms. Please repeat. A question, an answer. A beginning, an end. A full tank, an empty tank. A new bike, an old bike. Now, let's reduce the article the. The article the is pronounced in two different ways. We say the when we follow the word that begins with a consonant, like this. Please repeat. The desk, the chair, the person, the phone. We say the when the following word begins with a vowel, like this. Please repeat. The apple, the elephant, the office, the elevator. Now let's practice the and the using some antonyms. Please repeat. The full one, the empty one. The lower level, the upper level. The new car, the old car. The closed window, the open window. Let's take a look at two more function words and reduce them. Let's practice as and at. As gets reduced to is, as in, he's just as good. Repeat these phrases. As soon as possible. As big as a house. As hungry as a horse. As clear as day. At gets reduced to ut, as in, look at me. Repeat these phrases. Look at that. All at once. At the end of the street. The party's at 7. Well, that's all we have time for today. Please tune in next time for part 2 of reductions. Thanks for watching. If you would like to have a more personal experience learning the American accent, please come join me in my class at DELC in Watamakai in Patamtani, Thailand. Sign up for an in-class experience or sign up for an online experience with other students. Just click the link in the description below. See you next time. สวัสดีครับ